Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Image Resizer in Microsoft PowerToys step by step. If you need to resize one image or several pictures at the same time without opening an editing program, Image Resizer makes the process fast and incredibly simple. So let's get started. First, make sure Microsoft PowerToys is installed and that the Image Resizer utility is enabled. Open PowerToys, select Image Resizer from the menu on the left, and confirm that the feature is turned on. You can also customize the available image sizes if you want. Next, open File Explorer and navigate to the folder containing the images you'd like to resize. Select one or multiple pictures, then right-click your selection and choose Resize with Image Resizer from the context menu. This will open the Image Resizer window. Now choose one of the preset size options, such as small, medium, large, or phone, or enter your own custom dimensions if you need a specific image size. You can also adjust additional settings like whether to resize the original image or create a separate resized copy to keep the original file unchanged. Once you've selected your preferred options, click Resize. PowerToys will process the images in just a few moments, and the resized versions will be saved based on the settings you selected. And that's it. You now know how to use Image Resizer in Microsoft PowerToys to resize one or multiple images quickly and efficiently. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.